In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook emails with Gmail. We're going to bring your Outlook emails into your Gmail inbox using Gmail's built-in import tool. This method uses POP, which fetches copies of your messages into Gmail. It's great for centralizing your mail in one place, and you can keep working in Gmail while the import happens in the background. Start by opening Gmail and signing in. In the top right, click the gear icon to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings to get to the full settings page. Along the top, select the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail lets you connect other email accounts and manage how messages are pulled in. Look for the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts and click Add a Mail Account. A small window will appear asking for the address you want to import from. Type your Outlook email address carefully to avoid typos, then click Next to continue. When asked how you want to proceed, select Import Emails from My Other Account and click Next again. This tells Gmail to fetch mail using POP. On the next screen, enter your Outlook username and password. Your username is usually your full email address. If you use two-step verification on your Outlook account, you may need an app password. Follow your provider's guidance if you see an authentication error. Gmail typically detects the server settings automatically, and secure connection is used by default. You'll also see a few options, such as leaving a copy of retrieved messages on the server, labeling incoming messages, and whether to archive them. Leaving a copy on the server is helpful if you still access Outlook elsewhere. Adding a label with the Outlook address can make the imported messages easy to spot. If you're unsure, the default settings work for most people, and you can adjust them later. When you're ready, click Add Account. Gmail will begin importing in the background. The first fetch can take a while depending on how many emails you have, and new messages will be checked periodically after that. Remember, because this is POP, it pulls copies into Gmail. Changes you make in Gmail won't sync back to Outlook. You can monitor progress in the same Accounts and Import tab, where Gmail shows when it last checked the account. That's it. You've connected Outlook to Gmail and started the import. Keep Gmail open or come back later to see your messages arrive, and use labels or search to organize them as they come in. Thanks for watching, and enjoy having your Outlook emails right inside Gmail.